LS is all mounted up. Also got the gearbox in there as well. Thanks to Sicky for the stage 1 engine kit. So we've got the sump, engine mounts, gearbox mount is under there. And also the oil filter relocation kit, which we've modified and bolted onto the rear arch there. Just another quick view from under here. Plenty of room around the engine mounts and sump. And also gearbox mount as well. So for the new rad we've ordered, we actually cut off the original rad mounts, both sides, and welded up the holes, smoothed them off, so it looks pretty good. And then the rad should be coming tomorrow, so we're going to mount that all up, make new brackets. Shout out to Japspeed. This rad is fucking sick. It's massive, literally huge. So it should be pretty cool in there. Nice welds on it, all round, nice and thick, so it should stay cool. Just put on the front panel, just going to start mocking it up. So we've got the rad roughly in position. We've got good clearance either side of the chassis leg and a nice little bit of clearance between the engine and the rad. But what I want to try and do is cut this panel here, just down there like that, and also at the top, so I can try and tuck that under just an extra inch. It will give us a lot better flow on the top coolant line because that's quite sharp angled, and it will give us a lot more room for when I've got a fan on there as well. So I'll get the grinder out and start cutting. So we just finished cutting the front panel. The rad's sitting a lot nicer now, tucked under there. We notched out the cap a little bit, so that's going to sit nice. Just got to cut this edge off here so I can run the coolant pipe just off the expansion tape. Going to put it somewhere down there, I think. Haven't really planned that out yet. And we also cut the sides off, so the rad's sitting a lot nicer up in here. And then we just got to make a couple more little brackets for the top, and then 2 more off the chassis leg here to go underneath there as well. So after we've done that, it'll be pretty good. Right guys, we've just finished off the mounts of the rad. We've made the top brackets in the location pins under here. We also bolted that through the front, just welded a nut on the back of that plate. So they're pretty much both the same each side for the top brackets. Then we've also got underneath a little plate with a nut welded on the inside of the chassis leg, bolted through there onto this piece of bar, and then 2 location pins at the bottom on little tabs. It's all in pretty well, nicely tucked underneath the slam panel, and nice and sturdy as well. Doesn't even move, to be fair. So that's all done. Next thing will be probably the rear end, so give us a like and subscribe and keep updated.